for clicking on this video. I'm Sandy, and in this video, I'm showing you everything we did aboard the Royal Caribbean Radiance of the Sea ship for the Pacific Coastal Cruise. I'll be sharing my thoughts about my experience, specifically about the food, some of the activities and events, and about the ship itself. So please stick around to the end to hear my thoughts. Thank you.
Finest specimens. Well, the selected 6 specimens willing to put themselves through pain, ultimate pain, for your enjoyment. Belly competition! Let's get underway with our first contestant. Weighing a whopping 1 metric ton. Dolly Duggan weighing 273 pounds. Let's hear for Simon! Alright, Simon, that is bringing your score out to the 4.9999999. To crown our top 3.
I got no reason to be sad. My mood is convinced me that it's bad. With every emotion that I had, but you don't. Oh my God,
No, it's supposed to be all.
it's so strange how we end up being here again. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Oh my God, it's so strange. You're right. I could just send from miles away. It's a freeway to outer space. If you give me air, baby, I swear that will be alright. I'm asking to save it all over again. I'm asking to save it all over again. If we were a movie, then how would it end? But you don't care. Oh my God, it's so strange how we end up being here again. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. It's so strange if we decide that we're good. Wanna see you crying too, so it means something to you. If you got plans to let me go, please don't let me know. If you got plans to let me go, please don't let me know.
The continent of Atlantis, sailing away.
fried banana and fried yuca. Creamy polenta with cheese, cream and butter, and rice and beans. The beans are a stew of bacon sausage.
Yeah. So we have the tongue from the meat. Brazilian cured pork sausage.
Thank you. So that was everything we did on the ship. As you could tell by the title of this and my last video, it's an older ship and a bit smaller, so it rocked constantly, even while we were sleeping midship. The quality of the food was awesome in Cascades, the main dining hall, but everywhere else, in my opinion, like the buffet and Samba Grill, could use some work. The service was excellent though, but the food itself was just okay. All in all, I think the ship itself could use work. I'm spoiled with modern conveniences, so not being able to charge my phone next to the bed or not being able to bring my hair tools or extension cords was kind of a bummer. Maybe if you're here to unplug, then this is for you, but honestly, I probably wouldn't sail this one again. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end. Until next time, bye!